20 plus 4 parentheses 8 plus 4. First of all, 20 plus 4 will give us 24. Then we have 24 parentheses 8 plus 4. Then in our parentheses, 8 plus 4 will give us 12. Then we have 24 times 12. 24 times 12 will give us 288. 288 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses, which is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. Then we have 20 plus 4 times 12. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication here. Now, we have an addition and a multiplication in this expression. We are going to solve our multiplication first before solving our addition because multiplication comes first before addition. 4 times 12 will give us 48. Then we have 20 plus 48. 20 plus 48 will give us 68. 68 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.